Welcome to the Python Learn Together, Code Together. Today let's learn how to install the Python interpreter or Python IDE. Interpreter means we need some window to the program to write the program and to see the output. For that, first of all, we are going to the Chrome or any browser. Okay, then here search for Python. Okay, just search for a Python, and here there is the first website called the www.python.org. This is the official website. Okay, go to this official website, and here go to the downloads section. Downloads, click on this downloads. Okay, it will take you to the downloads section, and here there are lots of Python releases. That means Python 3, Python 2, etc. And depending upon your operating system, you need to download the specific Python installer. Here at the starting only you can see this is the newest version, and which OS, it is asking the which OS we are using, operating system. This now I'm using the Windows, so I'm choosing this as Windows. And here you can see there are lots of available downloads. This is the Python 3.8.3 and different versions are there, 3.7, pre-releases, stable releases, all those things are there. So for that we will go with the latest release. Okay, here at the starting only the latest release versions are they give. Just click on this latest Python and it is the 3.8.3. okay, then here lots of downloadable files. If we come to the bottom, and before that, just depending upon your operating system, read some of the user instructions. If for the Windows users, the binaries for AMD 64 will work on processors that implement the Intel 64. That means these all common laptops are those Intel 64, because in the laptop we see a sticker on it that Intel Core i3 or Core i5, etc. So if we come down here, we can see the file section. Here all of the downloadable files are there. So here I prefer the installer. Okay, Python installer. So for that, Python x86. Okay, this one x86 64 executable installer. Okay, because here I read that for my Windows, here you can see also known as x84 architecture and formerly known as this one. Okay, so here I'm downloading that installer x86 64 web based, no, not the web based, executable installer. Okay, this one, if we click, it will start downloading and it is downloaded. After the download complete, you can just simply double click here, or you can go to file manager or this PC. Okay, then in this PC go to the downloads, and here there will be the Python. This is my Python downloaded one, and just double click on it. It will ask now install now, customize installation. Okay, always remember, just click on add Python 3.8 to path, just tick it. Okay, then install now, click as install now, and it will ask for 3.8.3. yes, as a beginner we are directly installing it. In the later development there may be some process to customize installation, all those things, but as we are just from the beginner, just give install. It will start installing the Python IDE or Python interpreter. Okay, it's installing. Wait for it. Depending upon the speed and the RAM space available, your installation, the speed of the installation depends. Then here, okay, it is setup was successful. Okay, then click close. then just close this online browser, it is not required. And here you can see the Python is installed. Just type Python, and here you can see the wait, PYTHON Python. Yeah, if you type the Python completely, this one we installed 3.8, so just click it, it will launch the Python. Or else go to my applications, and here you can see the recently added. Okay, in the recently added you can see Python 3.8 64-bit. Okay, or else just type in the search PYTHON Python. It will take you to the Python 3.8 app, and here you can see this is the Python interpreter. That means here we are going to write the Python code. That means if we write just one line, for example I'm writing 2 plus, okay, I'm writing 2 plus 3, and if I give enter it will give 5. That means it is executing that single line, and it is giving the output. It's like one-to-one interactions. We are telling something very small line, like printing the statements or addition, subtraction, or any mathematical things. It's not it is not like we are going to write all the lines of codes then executing. That we will learn in the further sessions. Now it is just the installation of the Python interpreter. That means just we are one-to-one interactions like that. That's it. I think you hopefully installed the Python IDE in your laptop. Now let's see how to install the Python. If you don't have the laptop, then how to install this Python in your Android smartphone. In Android, just go to Play Store and download here. Okay, here search for a Termux, TERMUX. It is like your Linux, small mini Linux machine and your Android. Android is a basically Linux machine, but it will provide you the same command window as in the Linux machine. So it's better if we learn the Python and this Termux. If you don't have the laptop, don't worry, just install this Termux and click search. And this is that Termux app you can see. Then click on the install and install the Termux app. Okay, then it will installing. No, it's downloading. And until it downloads, I will tell you something in this Python interpreter, that is the in PC. In order to close this Python IDE, you can use this close, or you can just type Control Z and click enter to close this in the Windows. And in Mac, in other Linux machines, yeah, like Mac and other Linux machines, you can use Control D to close that. Control D and press enter. In Windows, if you type Control D, it will give you the error. Just type Control Z and click enter, it will close the window. Okay, or you can use the Windows default closing one. Now I think it is successfully installed. Just click open in your Android phone and it will install. The keyboard layout you can see here, you will get escape, control, alt, etc. If for some technical reasons if you not get this kind of keyboard, then you can just go to Play Store and just type for Hackers Keyboard, HACK, yeah, Hackers Keyboard, and click on it. And here this is the first one you need to select, and here I will show you. Yeah, it's already I installed, but here you can see, yeah, here you can see its image. It is like with control and everything. Here you can see alt, control, all the things are there in this keyboard, and it is the very nice keyboard we can utilize. Then here you just go to Termux and type Python. I think now it will give you some error because there is no Python in this Android. So just type pkg install Python. Okay, it is showing the program Python is not installed. So we just have to type pkg or just copy the above line and paste here. Pkg install Python. Okay, I'll just type Python 3. Let's see whether it will install or not. No, it will not install. Just type. Yeah, yeah, it is taking. Yeah, I think yeah, Python 3 is there. It is taking. No, it is unable to locate the package Python 3 because in this termax we have to write just Python. Okay, just type pkg install Python and it is asking, do you want to continue, because it has to download some extra after this 247 MB of disk space is used. That means it is downloading. Here you can see it is need to get 41.6 MB archives. That means 41.6 MB your mobile data will be used for this installation. Click yes, then it will start downloading the Python for your mobile. So if we install some other Python apps, like if you go to Play Store, you can get many other Python apps, but I prefer this Termax because in Termax you can practice the coding. It's a very nice for practicing, like Linux commands and all you can use. So Termax is the preferable one. Let's wait for this complete installation. It will take 1 minute and 55 seconds. And now you can see it is downloaded and it is unpacking, and here it is showing the progress. And let's wait until it is installing Python 3.8.3. that means it is installing the newest version. If we type just type pkg install Python and it will install the latest version of Python 3.8.3. and now if we type here Python, I will just type Python and click enter. Yeah, now you get the same as Python ID. Okay, now we will use control and Z. I think it is not clicking. Control Z. Yeah, Control Z. If I press, it is stopped. Okay, it stopped the Python. In this Linux also Control Z is working. Let's try with the another one, Control D. I will type again the Python, and you can use the arrow mark. That means this arrow mark you can use, so that no need to type again the same code. You can see if I use this arrow mark, no, not in this, in the, now it is in the Python. If it is in the Termax, if we use this arrow mark, then it will directly use the previous command lines. Now what I will do means I will type Control and D. Yeah, it exits. If you type Control D, it will exit directly from the Python. If we type yeah, stopped Python. In mobile, in Termax, you can use both Control D and Control Z. Okay, for quitting this Python. You can see this. In order to clear these above things, it's not very good if all these things are there here. It is looking so bad. So in Termax, you can use a command called clear, CLEAR. Then click enter. It will clear the complete above things. And here just type Python because you already installed the Python. PYTHON. PYTHON, and click enter. Now the Python is running, and here you can see just type anything to check whether this interpreter is working or not. I will type 3 plus 4. I need to get 7. Yeah, I'm getting the 7, and it is displaying the result, and it is going to the taking the next input line of the code. You can see 6 into 6, 36. You can use this as a simple calculator. Okay, now in the mobile also it's working fine. You can use either your laptop or mobile to learn this Python from the scratch. If you have any questions or any doubts regarding the installation, you can just comment in the below commenting section. and thank you.